In this tutorial, I'll show you how to take a screenshot of a video frame in a few simple steps. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Alright, if you've ever wanted to grab the perfect snapshots from a video, maybe for a thumbnail, a presentation, or to save a moment, this one's for you. We're going to be using a free tool called VLC Media Player. So first, let's open up VLC Media Player. If you don't already have it, head over to the official VideoLAN website and download it. It's completely free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once installed, launch VLC, then go to Media, then Open File, and select your video. Now play the video until you reach the frame you want to capture. You can pause right there, or if you want pixel-perfect accuracy, use the frame-by-frame button. The shortcut for that is the letter E. Each tap moves you forward one frame at a time. Once you're on the exact frame, it's time to take the snapshot. Just go to the top menu, click Video, then Take Snapshot, or use the shortcut. On Windows and Linux, it's Shift+S, and on Mac, it's Command+Option+S. VLC will instantly save that snapshot as a PNG file. By default, it goes into your Photos or Pictures folder on Windows, your desktop on Mac, and your Home/Pictures folder on Linux. This is the screenshot we just took from that video. Now, if you want to improve the quality of your snapshots and customize how they're saved, VLC gives you some handy options. Go to Tools, Preferences, Video. Here you can turn on deinterlace and set it from automatic to on for sharper, cleaner images. You can also change the default save location under Video Snapshots. Click Browse beside the directory and change it. Here you can adjust the naming convention to keep your files organized. You can even switch the file format from PNG to JPEG or TIFF right here. Just make sure you hit Save after making changes. From then on, every snapshot you take will be saved in the new location, with better quality, and in the file format you prefer. And that's it. You now have a standalone image from your video, perfect for thumbnails, presentations, or images for tutorials. That's how you take snapshots and videos using VLC Media Player. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know how it worked for you. Check out more tutorials here on NetPlussystemsllc+guides and tutorials, where we make everything online easy to understand.